Friends, open PicsArt app. The next step, tap on plus icon and tap on edit photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. Today we are going to edit. The first step, I have to go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, this is the model image. We have to erase the background by using the cutout tool. Tap on outline and draw on the model image like this and tap on arrow, and the next we have to tap on save. Like after erasing the background, now we have to arrange the model image perfectly like this. It is perfect. The next step we have to go to shadow, tap on position, make it 100, make it 100. Okay, perfect. Now tap on adjust, make it 100 and keep it around 50. Now go to colors, tap on white color. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to go to draw, tap on draw, arrange it like this, tap on brush and keep the size around 40 and keep this around 35 and hardness to 1, tap on set. Now go to colors, set the red color, now tap on tick. Now go to layers, tap on first layer, tap on here and you have to make it overlay. Okay, make it overlay. Now I have to start drawing. It is done. Now tap on layers, decrease the opacity to around 50. Okay, 50. Now tap on plus, tap on empty layer. Now go to brush, opacity around 80, decrease the size to around 13, set. Now draw one line, tap on 3 dots, tap on transform and have to arrange it like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark, tap on here, have to tap on overlay. Perfect. The next step, tap on plus, tap on empty layer, simply go to colors, tap on aqua color, simply draw, repeat the same procedure, tap on 3 dots, tap on transform and arrange it in this position, tap on tick. You have to select the overlay, decrease little opacity and red also you have to decrease little opacity. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step we have to add this smoke effect. Go to add photo, zoom out, go to blend, make it screen, bring little down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step we have to go to add photo and select this circle PNG. This is a circle, simply zoom out and you have to arrange perfectly to the back circle like this. Now tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore, make it 100, decrease the size and you have to start drawing. And it is okay. Now tap on eraser, size to more and you have to decrease opacity and hardness and erase on the top. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. You have to repeat the same procedure to the right side. Okay, right side also, the right side portion. Now tap on add photo and select the circle again. This is the circle. Now we have to change it color. Go to adjust, go to hue, now make it 180, tap on tick and repeat the same procedure, simply arrange like this, tap on eraser, tap on invert, tap on restore, make it 100 and draw on the right side. Now tap on tick mark. And the final step we have to give the touch up. Go to tools, go to adjust, decrease little contrast, little clarity, Give little saturation, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow, little warmth. It is for photo editing tutorial. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.